Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we will learn applications of trigonometry exercise number 12.2. In that today we will see how to solve a third problem. So the third problem is given like this. A statue stands on the top of a 2-meter tall pedestal. So one statue is standing on 2-meter tall pedestal. So first you draw one pedestal like this. See, observe here. So let us think that it is a pedestal of height 2 meters. Of height 2 meters. So on this pedestal one statue is standing. Statue. Okay. This is statue. Okay, so on this pedestal statue is standing. Okay, that is the first sentence meaning. Next one. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of statue is 60 degrees. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Okay, so one point is there on the ground. Let us take one point here. Okay, if I take this point, no, we have to draw one horizontal line like this. Now he is saying that from this point, the angle of elevation, see here, angle of elevation of the top of the statue. This is statue. Statue top means what here? So join like this, you will get one angle of elevation. This is given as 60 degrees. 60 degrees. And is saying that, and from the same point means what? This point only. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. Okay. From this same point, top of the pedestal. This is top of pedestal. This angle, this is given as this angle is given as 45 degrees. Now he is asking find the height of the statue. Statue height means what? This one, h. So this height is h. We need to find height of statue. That means we have to find h answer. We have to find out. Okay. Yes. Now let us give the names of the names to these triangles. A, B, C, D. Now you see how to find out height of statue. This one, H answer. Okay. So first you take this small triangle. Here 90 degrees you need to mark. Okay. In triangle A, B, C. A, B, C. So ABC triangle, which is adjacent side, this is adjacent side AB, which is opposite BC, nothing but 2 meters. Okay. So ABC triangle, you apply tan 45 degrees equals to tan 45 degrees. 45 opposite BC, then 45 adjacent AB, tan 45 value 1 equals to BC answer, BC 2 meters, divide by AB. AB is nothing is there as it is, right? AB only. 1 is written as 1 by 1. Then do cross multiplication. Do cross multiplication like this, you multiply. Then if I multiply like this, what we will get? AB into 1, AB equals to 2 into 1, 2. So AB answer is, this is 2 meters. 2 meters. AB answer we got. This is 2 meters. But we don't want this AB answer. We need a CD answer. CD, nothing but H. Okay, yes. So for that we need to take one more triangle now. In triangle, now let us take this triangle A, B, D. A, B, D. You apply tan 60. Tan 60 equals to. So in ABD triangle, ABD, what is opposite? BD is opposite. BD is opposite. Divided by adjacent AB. Tan 60 answer. Tan 60 answer is root 3 equals to. BD. BD is nothing but BC plus CD. BC plus CD. AB answer we know, we got 2 meters. Okay. Now this root 3 write as root 3 by 1. Do cross multiplication. So if I do cross multiplication, we will get 2 into root 3. 2 root 3 equals to BC plus CD. Okay. So 2 root 3 equals to BC 2 plus CD H. So 2 take it on left hand side. It becomes 2 root 3 minus 2 equals to H. Okay. 2 root 3 minus 2 equals to H. Next, from these 2 you take a 2 common. Here we have 2. So this is also we have, here also we have 2. So take 2 common. 2 root 3 I took 2 common. Remaining root 3 will be there. Minus here 2 I took common. Remaining 1 will be there. 1 equals to H. Now observe here 2 root 3. 2 into root 3. 2 root 3 we got the answer. 2 into 1. 2 we got this answer. Okay. Yes. Next one what we have to do. So here I will write 2 into root 3 answer is what? 1.732 minus 1 equals to H. Then 2 into 1.732 minus 1. If you subtract, we will get 0.732 equals to H. Now multiply this both. 2 into 0.732. You multiply this both. So answer will be 1.464 meters equals to H. So H answer we got as 1.464 meters. This is nothing but height of statue. So therefore height of statue equals to 1.464 meters. That's it. Okay. Thank you.